ready, Flint, for a great show and a chance to help out a great guy. Friday, August 1st at the Machine Shop, it's a benefit show for Given Six lead singer Jamie Taylor. Given Six will take the stage, and you could be one of the first to check out Given Six's video for Victim by Black Jacket Films. Jamie Taylor, lead singer of the band, was severely injured during the video shoot, and your $5 donation at the door will go to help Jamie pay his medical bills. Also performing Anna 1876 and Brobot. In honor of the grand opening of Loyalty Tattoo, there will be a Sexiest Female Tattoo competition, with the winner scoring a $250 tattoo from Loyalty Tattoo, formerly Almighty Tattoo, and a $200 photo shoot, and many other giveaways. Don't miss Given Six and your chance to help out lead singer Jamie Taylor. The benefit show happens Friday, August 1st at the Machine Shop. Presented by Loyalty Tattoo, Black Jacket Films, Belnor Photography, and 7-Eleven Entertainment. Doors at 7, 18 and up. We love you, Jamie!